I want to thank the anti-corruption unit because they are the ones who have helped us. The police has been literally paralyzed in this matter, and we do not understand why. We are civilians, we are obeying the court instructions, we have an order that everything should be stayed until the matter is heard in the Court of Appeal. This place was built by our parents in the 1980s. We have all been born here. We have all grown up here. So you look at this wreckage. When they came to knock down this place, we did not have anything that was saved. They just came during Christmas, knocked down the house. Shortly after that, they are sending thugs who are even currently still on remand in Luzira. Shortly after that, they sent private security guards. It has been harassment after harassment.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.